Hi, this video does IXL U1, which is LRL. All right, we're going to do two examples. All right, the first one is -4, -6, a solution to the system of equations. So what is it to mean to be a solution? So when you're graphing a solution, you are trying to find the point that the two cross. So that point is on both lines because that's where they meet. So we have to see if this point is on both lines. So -4 is our x value. We are going to plug that into everywhere that we see an x. Okay. And then -6 is our y value. And we're going to plug that everywhere we see a y. All right. So once we do that, we have to see if this statement is true. And we have to see if it's true for both. So we're going to do this first one. So instead of y, I'm going to write -6 equals -1/2. Instead of x, I'm going to write -4 plus 9. Okay. So now let's go ahead and solve. We have our -6 equals. Now, 1/2 of 4 is 2. And a negative times a negative is a positive. So this is a +2 plus 9. All right. -6 equals 2 plus 9 is 11. So because this doesn't work, this doesn't come out equal. This isn't true. It's not going to work for this first one. If it doesn't work for both lines, then it's not a solution to the system. So you don't even have to solve the second one because it doesn't matter. It didn't work for the first one. So is this a solution would be a no. So let's do one more. So again, I have 9 is plugging into my y values. And then I'm going to put 9 as well in my x values. That's where I'm going to substitute. So let's do this first one. We have 12. Instead of times x, it's going to be times 9 minus 14 times 9 equals -18. So for this one, you may need a calculator. So we have 12 times 9, which is 108, minus 14 times 9 is 126 equals -18. Now we have 108 minus 126, and that gives us -18. Now, this is a true statement. We got it right. And if it's on the line, you'll always get a perfect statement. So it does work for this first one. Now let's see if it works for the second one. I'll do that one in pink down here. So we have 6. Instead of times x, I'm going to do times 9 minus 5 times 9 equals 9. So 6 times 9 is 54 minus 5 times 9, which is 45, equals 9. 54 minus 45 is 9. Perfect. So we got two true statements. It works for both. So is this a solution? Yes, it works for both of the lines.